So on my 2000 MGF, I broke the ball socket joint at the end of a gear cable, and in this video I'm going to replace it. You don't need a bridge to lift your car. Just lifting it a few centimeters high with the jack is enough to be able to reach with your arms underneath the car. You can easily use the hook of the jack to make the ball pop out of the socket. In my case, the rubber sealing of the ball socket joint was ripped apart. When reassembling the new part, make sure that the M10 counternut is actually present at the end of the cable, as in my case, it wasn't.